The MLAs have right because they are the part of the system, they are part of the government, and we have to, earlier also some respect has been given to all of them. But now with lot of difficulty, with all the pressures only, we have permitted them. Though I may be a member, that is a different question as my personal capacity. But now I speak to the chairman, president and those people. I wanted to see that our MLAs will be accommodated. I think today I'm on the job.
But Mr. Tejasvi Surya and others are saying, sir, this is unwanted.
I don't let Mr. Tejasvi Surya give their gnan to their party members, not to me.